We're rolling. Guys, back. Another episode. No wash and drive. This is just clean the hell out of Austin's car. This has been neglected. 2011 BMW M3 E93. So for those who don't know, it's a drop top. I told Austin probably in like April.
Yep.
And it is now like
June, maybe.
June.
Maybe.
I said, dude, don't wash your car because we're gonna do a correction on it and I'll hook you up for all the great filming that you do for me. Fine. This guy has literally not cleaned his car since that day. It is, oh, sorry. It is
It's okay.
hurt. It is hurt, which is good though, because we'll get to show you guys what it looks like now and what we could really do to it and how far we could take this. Okay, this is, ooh, that is probably, how old of tree sap is this? First steps we're gonna do is we have to get the car clean. So we're gonna wash it. We're gonna do some iron removal. We're gonna clean the wheels really good. Do some clay bar and get it prepped and cleaned and ready for correction. This is all, I mean, this is just horrible. You know, even like, this is unacceptable. All in here. Look at this. No bueno. It's really dirty. Yep, it's like really dirty. Nothing I haven't seen, nothing I haven't done. This is why I say I don't really like iron removal. Because the only way it really works is if you use a whole bottle. And this was probably, no joke, like 45 bucks. It pulls out the iron. See how it's like turning like dark purple in places?
Yeah.
It works, but it doesn't really work. It doesn't work well enough. Like, I think it's just like a show. Like, you know, there's no chemical that's gonna clean everything perfect.
Yeah.
No all-purpose cleaner, nothing. But that's why a lot of guys are like, oh, you don't use the iron removal, you do correction and clay wash first. I'm like, not unless you like spending $45 on
Nothing.
nothing. Yeah, if you just clay really good, works just as well. What's better? Okay, baby, it's white again. Cleaned it a couple times, really clayed it, went over it nice, and now it's super smooth. Now it gives us a clean plate to work on. So the reason why we have to clay it so good, because when you put a polish around the paint and there's impregnated like metals, dirt, whatever debris, anything in the paint. When the pad grabs it and twists it, what'll happen is it gets caught in the paint and you'll leave hooks and you'll leave marks and pigtails and all this shit all over the paint. No good. Prep is everything. Goes for the same thing with ceramic coatings. Doesn't matter what you do, prep is very important.
There we go.
Swirls?
Yeah.
A lot of it. See, very scratched. Things covered in swirl marks.
Yep.
Not very good. So it is late. So this is just improper washing. I'll tell you right now, the scratch isn't coming out. But again, we'll get this car 90+%. We'll get it better than the day came when you picked it up by far. Oh,
Cool.
let's move on. Next day, we are here. We left off showing you guys getting the car prepped. Clean, clay, and sanitary, right?
Yeah.
Got it clean,
Yeah.
got it ready. We clay barred the entire car. It was very, very, very dirty. Acorns and pine tree. You parked the car under a pine tree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of pine trees.
A
A row of pines.
A row of pines.
Yeah.
So it was like in the engine bay, like everywhere. So
Yeah.
we got that all clean and then we jumped straight in the car. We guys showed you the condition of the paint. You had oxidation, you have swirl marks, you had scratches, you have marring, you have hazing, you had it all. So, which is good. Did about 12 hours all night. Me and Luciano crushed this thing. We were here till what, 12 last night?
Yeah, literally.
Yeah, literally 12 o'clock. We were also hanging out, chilling. You guys had
Yeah.
a couple beers. We were just like, kicking it and getting the car done in our fashion.
Yeah.
This is, we have a little time in this car. It's your car.
Yeah,
You know,
it's my
this
car.
isn't, not that you're not treating it like a client's car, but we're having fun.
We're having fun doing it.
Yeah. We found our combo between pad and compound, what we wanted to do, what we wanted to use. It came out great. I love BMW paint. It always corrects really well for me. Sometimes it's really hard. It's hard to paint, so it works well for me. I like BMW paint. Swirl marks are gone. There's a little bit of scratches. You'll see in here. I'll show you with the light. So we have a couple more odds and ends to touch up with the compound, then we'll jump into polishing, get it ready for ceramic coating, add some gloss, and do all the good stuff. Rock and roll, baby. Guys, the correction is finished. It's day 3, working on the Beamer. So it's all done. It's ready for ceramic coating. We are going, Austin's gonna help me. He's behind the camera right now. We are gonna coat it with IGL Kenzo, which is their flagship coating. Car looks fantastic. What do you think?
Oh my gosh, bro, it's amazing.
Yeah, right, night and day. So we're gonna coat it. I just wanna show you guys, and yo, Liquid Death. Give us some more sparkling water. We love this.
Oh yeah.
I bought like, I don't know how many cases. 6
a lot.
cases so
There's
far.
a lot of.
It looks like
Liquid
beer.
Death.
It's not beer, guys. The white can is still water. The black can
Yep.
is
You got those
sparkling
bad
water.
boys everywhere.
Yeah, because it's so good.
I know. They're
It's
amazing.
mountain water. No plastic.
Yep.
Ice cold. It's no Pellegrino, but
But hey, it's pretty good.
we love it. This applicator pad I used on this car right here that we did IGL Kenzo on, but this is what.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Works. Good. It's really, really hard. So we're gonna coat it. Alcohol prep it and then ceramic coat it. So in between both coatings, we have to wait 2 hours in between both. We'll do your interior. Wait for Dylan to come here to do the extraction. Dill owns A&A Carpet Service, and he comes with like the crazy spot free. I mean, we could do it, but he's a professional. We'll give him the business.
Absolutely.
I love his work. He's the best. Great family. All right, so let's get to it. We're gonna alcohol prep it and then rock and roll. So let's go. I need you with me. Can you grab behind you? Grab like 4 or 5 rags.
Yeah.
And we'll rock and roll.
We'll do it.
We are cleaning this interior here as Austin. So we did the first coat of IGL's Kenzo base coat. We're gonna jump in the interior, drop the top so it's a bit easier to see for you guys. Very dirty, very oily. So we'll strip these down, coat them nice. So we're gonna get it clean and dust free and everything. And Dylan's gonna come here and do a hot water chemical extraction. He's got, again, you know, $1,000 machines that for his price is worth every penny.
Absolutely.
You know, he's the man. So let's get started. Again, I'm gonna have you scrub the seats and clean them while I vacuum and get everything nice.
Cool.
Sound good?
Beautiful.
Good.
All right.
Okay, so you saw us brushing and scrubbing and degreasing the seats. What happened is all your oils and your butt sweat and all that nasty, gross stuff, and stuff from your jeans, right, gets in the seats. I get this a lot, like, hey, dude, how do I get that factory? You know, my seats are so shiny. So if you'll look here, before compared to now we have a factory finish, nice and dull. So we want to now protect the seats and put some conditioner on them. This will bring a nice shine. A lot of people don't like the shine. That's fine, but oops. That's okay though, because we're gonna go over those seats anyway. Yeah, so it'll take some time for them to like clean over. I don't have like my leather master stuff here. It's all at my house still, because obviously we're fresh and new in the shop.
That's what you were talking about. It's my car. It's okay.
Yeah, I mean, look, I'm using a clip tone leather conditioner. Is it the best? No. Does it work? Yes. Does it work great? Yeah, it's pretty good. See, now, got that nice hydrated.
Compared to the other one.
Yeah. But, you know, these were very dirty seats. Very, very dirty. Now they're very, very clean.
Beautiful.
We're finished. Lot of work.
Lot
of work. You are super happy.
Oh my gosh.
So she's done. She's protected. She's clean. She's everything we could have asked for. The headlights, we kind of wanted the wet sand, but after looking at them for a long time, It's a common issue with these cars. They just get like, I believe it's from the heat. Other than that, you know, plastics came back. Everything looks so good, so glossy. No more swirl marks. I mean, like you were saying, the body line is so much more exaggerated now.
Oh my gosh, so much.
No, I'm super happy. And thank you guys for watching. We love you. Guys, please like, subscribe, notifications. You know the deal. We need the love. We need the support. And then we can keep doing cool stuff. Keep shooting videos for you guys. What do you think?
I want to go take it out, but I think I'm just going to put it away for the entire winter instead.
Yeah, I think that's a smart move.
Cool.
So let's put it on the lift.
Sweet.
Tuck her away.
Tuck her away.
Love you guys.